So you want to keep your erection for a longer time period. Well, RX Sleeve can help you. We have a product, well, 4 products. It comes in a kit.
Quick interruption. Near the end of this video, there will be a special offer for the ring kit.
And they're rings. And so the kit conveniently is called the ring kit. And so there are 4 rings. They're made out of silicone. We only use platinum skin safe silicone. So they're rings. And you may have seen products similar, especially if you are familiar with the pump system. Pump system almost always come with constriction bands. That's what they're called. And they have little handles at times on the sides where you would pull them to take them off. And they're pretty darn tight. But in some cases, they have to be really tight. So our bands come in 4 different sizes: large, medium, medium, and small. And they stretch quite a bit, so they can be, and actually, if they're cut down the center, then they'll stretch even more. And sometimes it's just too much. And so that's one way to
Yeah, so as mentioned, these are the 4 rings in the ring kit. And they're about an inch or so in thickness. So they can be cut. They can be cut to make, say, 2 out of the 1, or maybe even 3, depending how thin you cut it. And it will stretch more. For instance, currently it stretches about this much. And so if you cut it, all you need is a pair of scissors. And you can simply cut the ring, say right about here, slice it, and now you have another ring, and it stretches even more. So it's less tension on you, and it stretches even more from the original. So that's what it's all about. Thank you.
Reduce the tension if you want. But they stretch so much that you could fit your entire genitalia in there. You can put your testicles and your penis through there to hold a little bit more blood flow. So again, they're silicone, platinum safe silicone, and they're in 4 different sizes, and they help you keep your blood flow in. Oh, by the way, if you don't mind, perhaps you can click on the thumbs up button. It's somewhere down below of the video. And also there's a bell, or a notification bell. The bell, if you click on that, will notify you anytime that we come up with a new video here at RX Sleeve, and then you'll be notified. So how do these rings work if you don't already know? So here, and by the way, on these rings, when you do put them on, we don't recommend having them more than about half an hour or so. You be the judge because it is constricting. So if it feels uncomfortable, well, then take it off. So that's what we recommend. So here, this product here is what we call girth enhancer, and it's in a separate video, and it increases your girth. So this is a 3.5 inch rod, and we put a girth enhancer over it. So now the entire thing is 4.5 inches. So it's going to mimic a penis. So we take a ring, I'm not sure what size this one is, one of the smaller ones, and you would stretch it over yourself, and then you would put it over your penis. In some cases, over your entire genitalia.
When ordering a sleeve, enter this discount code, RING10, and receive 10% off your sleeve. Plus, we will send you a free ring kit. We will know to do that if you use this code.
You probably want to go down to the base, and so that will hold the blood flow in your penis a bit longer. And yes, you can use it with our sleeve, so it won't interfere. So you just put it on down to the base, and yeah, it won't interfere at all. You can just slip on the RX sleeve. It's a good thing if you're like some men where you don't necessarily have ED, but you're not what you used to be. and so you can't hold the erection as long as you used to, then these bands really do help. And so you could probably, as you know, and maybe in a separate video, our sleeves are coming firm and soft. So soft is usually if you're able to have an erection. Well, this band, and if you're on the fence, then this band can help you hold your erection a bit longer. So you can purchase a sleeve in the soft material as opposed to firm, because firm is mainly for men that if you can't really have an erection or you quickly lose your erection, then firm's for you. Different topic. So here are the rings, and this is the ring kit. I hope that helped. I appreciate it. Any questions, you can always give us a ring. No pun intended. Okay, thank you. All right, bye.